Hello my lovely people, you are welcome to my channel. We are making lunch for the family today, and I chose to serve my family some fried fish, some chicken stew, steamed vegetables, boiled rice, and some pineapple smoothie. Yes, please do well to like this video, please do well to subscribe. For my chicken, I seasoned my chicken with some fresh herbs, which are curry leaves, my all-purpose spice mix, my ginger and garlic powder, some thyme, some little curry, some bay leaves. That puree you saw me adding is onions, ginger and garlic. Yes. Note that if you season your chicken this way, it makes it very delicious, and it helps extract all the water content from it. After you saw me season my chicken this way, I will not be adding any other spice, any other seasoning to the stew again. I'll just add a little salt and it's perfect. So if you're the kind of person that you don't like eating so much spices, always over season your chicken, then use the stock to cook the stew. Also, if you cook with soft chicken, not the normal hard chicken, I want to also tell you that don't boil your chicken for a long time. Like you can see, the chicken I used is a very soft one. I just parboiled it for 5 minutes, leave the heat in the pot to finish the cooking, and you can see my chicken came out in one piece. It wasn't scattered. For my stew, you can see that oil I used is not palm oil. It was the oil from the jollof rice I made in my previous video. If you've not watched my jollof rice video, please go to watch it. You will see how I got that oil, okay? If you want to fry your fish, or if you intend frying fish and you don't want it to stick to the bottom of your frying pan, always add flour to the frying oil, and it makes all the difference. The fish will come out in one piece and it won't scatter. Here you can see my onions are fried beautifully well. Then I added some homemade tomato paste, although I showed you the one I got from the store. This stew was not just delicious, it was so good. My family enjoyed it. And you might say, oh, the oil is much. I usually make my stew with so much oil so that I can scoop off the remaining oil and use it to make pasta for other days. One thing about stew oil is that it has a lot of flavor, it has a lot of aroma. When you use it to make jollof pasta, it changes everything. Please do well to like this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Here you can see me adding my chicken stock. This stew doesn't need any salt, it doesn't need even seasoning cube. This chicken stock is concentrated and is everything you need. So you can use this my method if you feel like. And also, you notice that I didn't fry my chicken. Why? Because hubby didn't want me to fry the chicken. He said he wanted it boiled. That's why I used boiled chicken. I didn't fry it. But you can feel free to fry yours, but for me, I chose not to fry mine. Here I made some steamed vegetables with some of the chicken stock I kept aside. You can see this didn't even need any more salt. That chicken stock is very concentrated. I then added the chicken stock, the well sliced and washed pumpkin leaf, and also some fresh red onions to make this very fragrant. Guys, can you see my beautiful spread? My family definitely enjoyed this. If you try out this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Bye.